Good morning students. Computer class 8 chapter number 2, conversion of number system. In our previous class we have completed chapter number 1. Now today we are going to learn about chapter number 2, conversion of number system. So many methods or techniques can be used to convert numbers from one base to another. The four commonly associated number systems with modern computers and digital electronics are decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. In computer programming, we need to perform different number system conversions. For this, first we will understand the conversion of decimal number into binary number. So here, conversion of decimal number into binary number. You need to divide the number by 2, get the equivalent binary number. You write the remainder at right side and divide the quotient by 2 till it becomes 0. Remainder is written for every division. Finally, you take the stream of remainder in opposite sequence, that is from lower to upper. This stream is the equivalent binary value of the given decimal number. You can understand the conversion more clearly with the help of following example. Example here given: convert 23 in decimal form. This is the technique to write the base in which the system the number exists into equivalent binary value. So firstly we will factorize 23. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 left, so 1 is here. 2 5s are 10, 1 left, so 1 is here. 2 2s are 4, so 1 left, so 1 is here. 2 1s are 2, so nothing left, so 0 is here. Then 2 zeros are, then again here 1 is not divisible by 2, so here is 0 and this one will be here. Now this is the most significant digit and this is least significant digit, so we will write from the most significant digit, that 1 then 0 then 1 then 1 then 1, from 1 0 1 1 1. So it will convert in binary. Now conversion of binary into decimal number. Extreme right bit of the binary value is multiplied with the power of 2 and you transfers from right to left by multiplying with increasing powers of 2, like 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 up to 2 to the power n minus 1. You have to add these values to get the equivalent value of decimal number system. For better understanding, let's convert 11010 in binary system into equivalent decimal value. So here we write the values 11011 from here, from right side, 1101, and multiply by their base. From here we start, to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2, to the power 3 and to the power 4. Now we get 0 into 1, that is 0, 1 into 2, that is 2, 0 into 4, that is 0, 1 into 8, that is 8, 1 into 16, that is 16. So now I am adding these, 2 plus 8 plus 16 plus 0 plus 0, here 26. Thus 11010 in binary is equivalent to 26 in decimal form. Now conversion of decimal number into octal number. As you have already learned the conversion of decimal to binary, so you just have to change the base in case of octal. Apply the same process by using 8 instead of 2 at base. For better understanding, let's convert 87 in decimal into equivalent octal value. Now 87, so we will divide it by 8 because we have to convert it in octal number system. Previously when we have to convert in binary, we divided by 2. Now 8 1s are 8, then 0, so 7 left, 8 1s are 8, 2 left, here 2, 8 0 0, 1 left, so here 1. Then this is most significant digit and this is least significant digit, so we start from here 1 2 7, 1 2 7. Now thus 87 in decimal number system is equivalent to 127 in octal number system. Now conversion of octal number into decimal number, as you have already learned the conversion of binary to decimal, now apply the same process by using base 8 instead of 2. For better understanding, let's convert 362 in octal into equivalent decimal value. We write the base values like here we simply write from here 362, so 3 here, 6 here and 2 here, and now write bases a to the power 0, a to the power 1 and a to the power 2. Put multiply sign and put plus sign. Now 2 1s are 2, 6 8s are 48, and 3 into 64 we get 192. On adding this we get 242. Thus 362 in octal is equivalent to 242 in decimal number system. Now conversion of binary number into octal number. Octal number system is very near to binary number system. Each octal digit is equivalent to 3 binary bits. You can convert the value of 3 bits group using 421 code in a very easy way shown in the table, or we can use 8421. We use only here 3, we require only 3 digits in octal number system, so we use 421, but in case of hexadecimal we use 8421 code, so it will be easy to calculate. Now how it works, then here binary number system 0 0 0 means 0 in octal. How it works, so 4 2 1, that is 4 2 1, 1 0 is a 0, 2 0 0, 4 0 0, so 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Now 0 0 1 we write. Now 4 2 1, what here is 1, so we multiply this by 1, 1 1 ja 1, 2 0 0, 4 2 0, 4 0 0, so 1 is left. Now here 4 to 1 code is applied again. Now 0 4 2 1 we write like this, then 0 1 0 we write like this, 0 1 0, put multiplies and put plus sign between them. Now 1 4 is a 4, 1 2 is a 2, sorry 0 4 is a 0, 1 2 is a 2 only, so here will be 2. Likewise 0 1 1 we write 4 2 1 code, then multiply 4 by 0, 2 by 1 and 1 by 1, then it will be 0 and 1 2 is a 2 and 1 1 is a 1, then we get answer is 3. In the same manner 4, same manner 5, same manner 6, in the same manner 7. Here we can better understand 4 2 1, 1 multiply 1 multiply 1, then 4 1 is 4, 4 over 2 1 is 2, 4 plus 2 6, plus 1 1 is 1 7. Now when you convert a large binary number, then you must take a 3 bits group from right to left. Second thing, if the leftmost group has less 3 bits, then you should make it of 3 digits by putting zeros. How? Let's we take this example. For better understanding, let's convert 110 111 10 into equivalent octal value. Now we pair from right side 110, okay, 0 1 1 and only 1 1 left, so we have to make the pair of 3 3, so we add here 0, then it will be 0 1 1. Now we can from the table 110, that is 6, 110, 0 1 1, that is 3 3, 0 1 1. Now 0 1 1, that is 3, again by the table. Now streaming up these binary values, you get 3 3 6 3 3 6. then binary value of 110 11110 in binary form is equivalent to 336 in octal form. Now conversion of octal number into binary number. This conversion is just opposite of the above method. Convert each octal into equivalent 3 bits binary group and stream of these group to get equivalent binary value. For better understanding, let's convert 725 octal into equivalent binary value. So how? We write 7, 2 and 5 and write their binary form from the table. This 5 is 101, 2 is 010, 7 is 111 by the 8 4